In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what is YouTube automation, and show you how you can get started without paying for an expensive course. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can start YouTube automation today. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt with austingodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so when it comes to creating a YouTube video, these are the basic steps that you need to cover. For myself, when I create a video for this channel, I need to come up with a video idea. So for example, what is YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow? That's an idea. And then I need to come up with a framework or a script for this video. And then of course, I am the voiceover actor. I edit the videos and then I also come up with the thumbnails. With YouTube automation, you are going to hire a team of people that are going to do this exact process. You're going to find someone that's going to come up with video ideas. That might also be the script writer. Then you're going to find someone that does the voiceover, so reading the script, and then a different person to edit videos. And then maybe your video editor can also be your thumbnail maker. Sometimes that is a different person altogether. When it comes to YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow, think of yourself more of like a TV mega conglomerate. Here in the US, we have a TV company called Viacom. Viacom owns BET and VH1 and Disney and all sorts of. Disney's probably a better example because it's more globally accepted. Disney, for example, owns Marvel and they own Star Wars and they own Disney. They own all sorts of stuff, but the owners of Disney don't actually create any of the content themselves. They don't come up with the content ideas. They basically just pay people and they make money. And so that's basically what you're going to do too as a YouTube automation business owner. You are going to either come up with the ideas yourself or find your voiceover actor or scriptwriter to do that for you. And then you're just going to put the mechanisms in place so that this can be done efficiently. And in my last video that I uploaded just yesterday, I showed you the tools that you can use to create a very seamless workflow. One of those tools is Google Drive. And so you're going to set up all of the processes to let these people, your employees, be successful. And when you're coming up with the video ideas, there's a few ways to do it. I'm actually going to walk through each of these steps so that you can get a firm understanding of how they work. So the first thing that you'd want to do to come up with a script idea is you want to pick a niche. A niche is just a place where you're going to create content consistently. For example, how to make money online is a niche. How to invest in stocks, investing is a niche. How to lose weight, how to get in a relationship, how to find a significant other. These are all different niches that you can get into. And there's a few different ways that you can find a niche, and then there's even more ways that you can find different keywords within a niche. For example, if we're in the affiliate marketing space or how to make money online or cryptocurrency space, what you can do is you can start with the alphabet soup method. And basically with the alphabet soup method, you are going to type in something like Bitcoin, and then you're going to hit the space bar, and you're just going to go through each letter of the alphabet and try and find different keywords that are relevant. And so for example, Bitcoin whales, we're going to take a look at that. And we could potentially hand this off to our scriptwriter and tell them that you want a script written for Bitcoin whales. Another thing that you can do is you can take a look at some of these channels that popped up. For example, Crypto Love has 244,000 subscribers. What you can do is open that up, go to his channel, and then take a look at some of the videos that he's created. This will take just a second here, so we can click on videos. Another thing you can do is download a free Chrome extension, either vidIQ or TubeBuddy, and that can help you as well. So right now we're at Crypto Love. What we're going to do is we can take a look at the videos that have the most views within the last 2 weeks. For example, if we're looking through here, 12,000 views and 15,000 views, what you could do is create the video that has 15,000 views, Bitcoin crash, and you can add your own spin on it. Now, obviously, you don't want to just copy and steal other people's work. You want to take this as an idea. As you can see, Bitcoin crash, you won't believe this. This has proven to work just 3 days ago. And so you can use this as an opportunity to create content that has a pretty good chance of going viral. And so what you probably want to do is maybe change the thumbnail and maybe change the wording here. You don't want the exact same wording, but this is yet another way. Another thing you could do is go over and take a look and see what's trending over on Google Trends. So you could do something like trends.google.com. You can also do the same thing with Google News. You go over to Google News. So we're just going to type in Bitcoin here real quick. Bitcoin like this, hit enter, and it's going to come back with some trending topics regarding Bitcoin. So we scroll through here. Okay, so it's talking about Shiba Inu. I don't know if that's still popular as of today, but Bitcoin law, you could create a video about the new Bitcoin laws that are coming out and how that could have a negative impact. You can see that all sorts of stuff is popping up. You can also do the same thing with Google News. Google News like this. And once again, you can type in Bitcoin or whatever your keyword is and find what's trending and what's being talked about with regard to your trending topic. So Bitcoin, we just type that in, and then we can use this as an opportunity or inspiration to make money. How to buy Bitcoin in India could be something that is really profitable and really powerful. And so that is really the first step. Come up with video ideas. The next step is you're going to pass these off to your scriptwriter, or maybe even you're asking your scriptwriter to do it. They're simply going to create content based off of the ideas that you gave them in the previous step. What you're going to ask them to do is do a little bit of research and spend some time to create unique or custom scripts to pass over to your voiceover actor. Now, the way that I do it is once that scriptwriter has written a script, they upload into Google Drive like that. They mark complete in Asana. It's the tool that I use for project management. And then the voiceover actor or actress will actually create the voiceover based on the script. They just read the script and they make sure that they upload a finished product back into Google Drive once again. So we're just going to GED like that. Video editor will take the completed voiceover and create a unique video. And what I like to do is I like to have my video editors use story blocks. That way the videos are as unique as possible. And I also have my video editor also create the thumbnails because he has the best idea of how to create visually engaging information. And then the final step is to upload. Now, what I do is I actually will have the video editor upload the completed project as well as the thumbnail into Google Drive. I will download those to my computer and then upload into YouTube. I also will do the script and the title of the videos. Now, ultimately, you want to get to a point where you're passing this off. Let's say you have 10 channels. You're going to want to have a virtual assistant do this. Currently, like I said, I do it myself like that. But you want to get to the point where you're having your virtual assistant do it. Again, think about this like Viacom or Disney or some of those other mega TV and movie corporations. The owners of the business aren't actually in the business themselves. They're just paying people and they're getting paid for their content. And so basically what you want to do is you want to decide how many videos you want to upload per week. Some people will do as few as 3 videos. Some people are uploading 3 videos per day. And the more you upload, the more opportunities you have for success. And it's also going to be more expensive. You could probably expect to pay for this entire process from top to bottom. You would probably expect to pay maybe between $40 and we'll say $60 per video for this process. Now, what I use, and I think I've mentioned this a few different times, is I use onlinejobs.ph in order to find a scriptwriter and to find a voiceover actor, as well as a video editor, actor or actress, I should say, and a virtual assistant. What I'll do is I'll put a link to onlinejobs.ph in the description of this video so that you can get up and running too. It is a affiliate link. You can get started with onlinejobs.ph for free. So again, the process is relatively simple. You are going to find high quality employees that are going to do each one of these. And in the beginning, I recommend uploading yourself, but you can actually train them to do it as well. Now, one thing that I do recommend with YouTube automation is I recommend that you learn this process on your own. The reason why I recommend you learn this process is so that you know what a good video looks like. You know what a good video sounds like. You know how to write the thumbnails. You know how to make the thumbnails. You know how to write the title tags and descriptions so that you know what a quality product looks like. One of the reasons why people fail with YouTube automation is they've never done a YouTube video themselves, and so they don't know what a good video looks like, and unfortunately that sets them up for failure. So now that you know what YouTube automation is and how to get started, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.